What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. What we have here is a chrome frame 1987 Ducati KXT500 with a KX500 engine thrown in it. Stretched 4 inches. The back carrier basically was cut. They plated it, stretched it 4 inches, welded it back together. Cleaned up the shock. Got real nice chrome exhaust, as you'll see in the video. Further on in this video, we're going to have the engine ripped down. The trike is actually complete in one part. This was me pulling it out and getting a real nice little walk around of it after it was tore down. Cylinder is getting re-sleeved, new top end, and she'll be ripping again. Had to go through, redo the rear shock, weld up the frame. Had to make a spacer for the spring because for some reason the spring didn't want to fit. But yeah, it's a really nice trike. Enjoy the video, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on future builds and everything neat that's coming up. Throw a comment in there, help move this video along. See if we can get some more people on this channel and get these videos out to more and more people. I know it's some pretty cool stuff and lots of people would like to see, but only a couple of people are getting to see it. And here she is all together before the rip down. Old Marcus loving his watermelon Ducati, as he calls it.
You'll never see it nowhere else again.
Right.
And he putting it out there to make money, you know what I mean? It's worth it. And the man ain't hurting for money, and the man is a logger.
Yeah.
Truck logger. That's what his real business is. That's just his hobby, his toy. A barn, nothing but bikes in the AC. Come on, man, I'm going out. I should have went to the grand opening out that bitch. The way I love 3-wheeler, and he got my original in that bitch, that 8570. That's what I got for Christmas. I'm going to Binky's. Yes, sir. I'm going to that museum out of Virginia. Virginia is for lovers.
I didn't pull the spark plug out. Hey, guess what? You don't need to.
Sweet.
We got, ooh. 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 Now we're getting on the video here.
Yes, sir. Mike Lane. Shout out to Mike Lane. You know, you know.
Alright, yep, clean up, lots of clean up.
Check the slop. How you check the slop?
Check the slop or what?
See if I need to go in that bottom.
Oh.
Shit. In that heart. Check the slop in that heart.
Bring it
Up
up
and
to the
down.
top. Lay it against, lock it.
It's tight.
That's tight.
That's tight.
There's no.
It's the up and down. No up and down. They say side to side. All right. It's the up and down.
No up and down.
It's tight. You gotta go in the bottom.
The rings are stuck.
Rings are stuck. Yep. Rings are stuck.
It doesn't look like it seats. Alright, so we got the gasket cleaned off the head. Now we're going to do the flat surface test and see what happens. Put it on. Make sure you blow the cooling jacket out before you flip it over. A little bit of a shiny right there. Almost there. And yes, I added water because water makes this thing more efficient. More and more circles. Wipe it down and check it. Let's see if we can get the light to hit this just right. Got dull and shiny. See the shiny and the dull? The shiny is not getting touched, so that's a high spot still. A little bit of shiny there. Getting there, but that high spot needs to go. There we go. Surfaces are all better. Now we're going to hit the combustion chamber with a little bit of rouge, because this was polished at one point. But that was probably the last motor build. It completely wore the nickel seal off the cylinder, so it's got some time on it, that's for sure. One more round. Getting there. Mirror. Flip it on its side. And we got a motor mount to weld back in place. Kind of neat how it does fit nice and tight in there though. Can't even tell it broke. Weld her up, be good. Now yeah, sideways trikes. There's a couple of them in here. Got TIG and stainless wire for a chrome frame. Here we go. Motor mounts welded in place. Yeehaw. Might have been gnarly as hell and brazed, but now it's welded with stainless rod. Bracket's back on the pipe too. Cool.
I know y'all black boys like watermelon. I know you boys like watermelon.
Something missing, something not right. Not quite sure what yet. Shit. Big bird in the house.
Yes, sir.
Big old gnarly.
Cut tires, paddles, 75% gear.
Yeehaw.